In this video, I will give you an honest review about the Internet Beacon Financial Services. So, this website right here is actually having a red flag because they have a potential Ponzi scheme wherein they actually have allegations that the company might be running this scheme. And this involves paying returns to existing investors from funds contributed by new investors, which is a major red flag. They also have a misinterpretation and also some lack of clarity and transparency. And the company is accused of operating without a necessary license. So I actually recommend you tonight to sign in or sign up, as well as giving them your bank account issues as well as whatnots. Do not deposit any money to this particular website. And they also have some legal threats and intimidations because when they actually try to uncover the truth, they have some legal notices and they have been served on court. So I recommend you to not engage with this website. So that's how you actually know if it's this website is legit or not. Hope you help.